I want you to admit that you fucking suck. You douche. You failure. You get no love. And you're not a comic. You're not so fun. Holy shit, you bitch. I'm built for this. Now it's your turn.
Okay. Your comedy never, ever, ever has personality. You forget that you can't mimic me because honestly, I know how to act and got shit figured out. I've been world famous. Who knows you? You're nothing right now.
You look like hell. You look like shit. You're so unappealing. You fucking bitch. I need to punch and kick you. This is payback time. And women who like you are fucking ooh.
You fuck around and your comedy just sucks. People hate your jokes, psycho. What in the fuck? And you can't match my skills, and you can't punch, and you can't match my comedy, and you can't fuck.